Hello students, welcome to the new video. This is class 2 EVS and I am Pushpa Gopan. Today we will study chapter 7 Air Around Us part 2. In the previous video we studied about the three forms of air. What are the three forms of air? That is breeze, wind and storm. What is breeze? Slow moving air is called breeze. And what is wind? Fast moving air is called wind. And what is storm? Very fast blowing wind is called storm. We can feel air when it moves things. And also I told, storms are very dangerous. It can uproot trees and damage the houses. Then the second topic was properties of air. What are the properties of air? Air fills things. Air is filled in balloons and tires. And the second property of air is air has weight. A football filled with air weighs more than one without air. That shows air has weight. The third property of air is air takes up space. Air fills up all kinds of spaces. You can fill it inside tires, sponges, air pillows, balloons, etc. And one more property of air is needed for burning. There can be no fire without air. If we cover a burning candle with a glass tumbler, the candle stops burning after some time. This is because there is no air in the tumbler. That shows air is needed for burning. These are the properties of air. And children, now we will study air expands on heating. We will do a small activity. Stretch the end of a balloon over the top of a bottle. Put the bottle in a pan of hot water. After a few minutes, the heat will cause the air in the balloon to expand, making the balloon to enlarge in size. This happens because hot water heats up the air inside the bottle. Warm air expands and rises. So, air expands on heating. You can do this experiment with the help of your parents. Children, do you know what is air pollution? How the air is polluted? Air that is dirty is called polluted air. Air becomes dirty because of smoke and dust. You must have seen smoke coming out of vehicles and factories. The smoke mixes with air and makes it dirty. This is called air pollution. Breathing polluted air can cause diseases like tuberculosis and asthma. What is air pollution? Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores may be suspended as particles. Some air pollutants are poisonous. Children, do you know what is the effects of air pollution? Air pollution can also cause headaches, dizziness, and nausea. Long-term health effects from air pollution include heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases such as emphysema. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerves, brain, kidneys, liver, and other organs. Children, how do we prevent air pollution? Using public transports, turn off the lights when not in use, recycle and reuse, no to plastic bags, reduction of forest fires and smoking, use of fans instead of air conditioner, use filters for chimneys, avoid usage of crackers. In these ways, we can reduce air pollution. Students, can you tell me, how can you keep the air clean? It is very important to keep the air clean. Breathing dirty air can make us ill, so it is important to keep the air clean. Grow more plants. Plants make the air clean and fresh. Keep the doors and windows open. Allow fresh air to enter the house. Do not sit near people who are smoking. So, all these ways we can keep the air clean. Not only that, so students, how can we keep the air clean? As I told you, grow more plants because plants make the air clean and fresh. Keep the doors and windows open. Allow fresh air to enter the house. So always you have to open the windows and doors. Do not sit near people who are smoking. Children, listen carefully. Once again, I will revise today's topic. Air expands on heating. And that activity you can do with the help of your parents, which I taught you. Our second topic was air pollution. What is air pollution? Air that is dirty is called polluted air. The smoke mixes with the air and makes it dirty. This is called air pollution. Breathing polluted air can cause diseases like tuberculosis and asthma. And keeping the air clean. We must keep the air clean. It is important to keep the air clean. Breathing dirty air can make us ill. Grow more plants. Plants make the air clean and fresh. Allow fresh air to enter the house. So this is the end of today's class. Watch this video again and again. Take care. Bye-bye.